Well, so we have a train here at Cone Road. Sorry about how long I haven't... Sorry about not having me upload a lot of videos on YouTube. Well, the reason why is because I haven't seen anything until now. Today is our first day extravaganza, folks, right here at Cone Road, and this should be the whiskey train. Grandma, is it Grandma or no? Yes, okay, I think so, okay. Wow, he's moving out from him sitting at RC. This video is for you, Daddy. Oh yes, the whiskey train, yes! Here it comes, it's been sitting since 10 o'clock in the morning. Oh yes! Well, there you have it. That was the one that was sitting at Raisin Center, folks. And we even are supposed to be having a NYC Heritage Unit leading today's NS 121. When I mean the NYC, that is also known as the New York Central engine. But I don't know if I'm going to be seeing that one. But anyways, so that's it.